Hi, in this video, I'll discuss about OR operator. So, OR operator is used to combine more than one condition with where clause. Without where clause, you cannot use OR operator. The OR operator display a record set if any one condition separated by OR is true. For example, see here, A is a first condition, B is a second condition. This is your output. So if in OR operator, I'm passing A and B condition. If my A condition is false, B condition is false, then you will get false. If any one condition will be true, then your output will be true. Okay. So let's see how we can utilize this OR operator. So here I'm just writing select star from orders. Run it. You are getting this data. Now in OR operator, I want to pick only those data which is from west region and or sales value should be less than 0. Okay. So you need to take here where region equal to west, or previous video I covered AND operator. Here I applied AND operator in previous video, but here I'm applying OR operator to apply the second condition. So I have already told you OR operator we can apply multiple condition. So now my second condition is sales value less than 0. Same condition I applied with AND operator, so you were not getting any data. But in OR operator, you will get data from west region. Okay, sales value, this condition is false, but this condition is true. So you will get all the data from west region. So this condition is false, so it will not give you any result. So now I'm running it. So see here, you are getting data 1990. Only west region data you are getting because less than 0 is no sales value. Okay. So in OR operator, this condition will work separately and this condition will work separately. Now I want to let you know, suppose in same column, I want to pick two data, two regions data. So here I need to pick the data from west region and prairie region. So you need to write here select star from orders, and here I will apply where region equal to west and not and or, and here again I will write down the column name, and then you need to write here prairie. Okay, then run it. Now your output is this one. So this is the prairie region, and in downside you will get west region data. So this is a way to apply the OR operator. If you want to check another condition, so here I want to apply the condition on profit. So here I will write select star from orders where region equal to west or profit less than 0. So profit less than 0 can be in any of the region. Okay. So you will get only those data which is less than 0 in any of the region. But you will get all the data from west region also. It can be positive value, profit value will be positive in west region. So you will get one those data also which profit value is less than or greater than 0 in west region. Okay. So now I'm running it. So see here, I'm getting those value which is in minus, but here some value will be in positive value. So let's see, do we have any positive value? So here See here, we have multiple positive value. This positive value will be from west region. For rest of the region, you will not get any positive value. So now you can see here, this is the west region data. Okay. So in west region, you will get all the positive value, all the negative value. Okay. So this is all about the OR operator.